Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw a flower. We're gonna draw an orchid. There's a flower drawing series. I'm gonna make a playlist for it that I believe I already have. So go check that out. I got a lot of requests for different types of flowers, so this is one. Completely for beginners. So if you're brand new, you will be able to draw this with me. So let's do this step by step together, okay? Let's jump in. Alrighty, so let's go into how to draw this flower, this orchid. So it's got this cool section in the middle, and then it has kind of the larger leaves on the outside. So let's go in. Excuse me. Let's go in and draw that middle portion. Okay. Curve over here. Curve over here, and now I'm gonna pull down. It's got this like long stem thing in the middle. Not too long, but a little bit. Down over here. Curve. All right, and we can just gotta close it off. Now we're gonna have the small leaves over here on this side. Pull out over here, pull out, pull out, pull out. Just gonna kind of throw those outwards there. And then I'm gonna go over here and start completing them. So example, there's like one kind of heart-shaped leaf, right, sticking out. Same thing over here. Over here on this side. And over here on this side. Don't forget, 90% of you that are watching are not subscribed yet. Hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. I go over how to draw anything, and I have these drawing lessons 3 times every single day. So don't miss out. You can see it on your feed when you hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. It's going to show you on your feed like the thumbnail of what I'm drawing that day. Lines here. In the inside right here, like so. And then we have this like center portion like that, you know? I think there's like a circle here at the end of that. And then we are gonna go over here and draw the outer leaves. So I'm gonna go over here and pull out, I don't know about leaves, but petals. Upward here, down, maybe wiggle it all the way back down. So it's like one, right? Over here on this side. Curve in there. Over here on this side. Over here. So it's obviously big toward the bottom right there, and it kind of goes at the end like a tip right there. If you like learning how to draw flowers, check out the flower drawing playlist. They're shockingly, it's gonna be weird. It's like therapeutic for me to draw flowers. I don't know if anyone feels that. It's surprising. I've never really been into flowers till people requested to draw like me that I draw flowers. And I was like, wow, this is really nice. I've painted flowers for like family members, but curve out here. Pulling to a tip here, pulling out. It's gonna go big as it goes down. Yeah, I don't know what it is. It's like flowers are, I get it now. I didn't really used to get it. Now I get it. Curve right here. Over here on this side. Underneath here. Right on. Line, 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 line. Lines here on the striations of the petals here. Striations here. Striations here. So the striations are following kind of the direction of where the petal is going. That's kind of the most important part of this, right? Same thing over here for the little ones here. Like I said, I do recommend doing this in marker. You can do this in pen or pencil as well, so it's not really a big deal. You can do this in whatever you want. But yeah, let's go over here and draw the stem now. I'm gonna pull it off to the corner there because I don't know, a lot of photos I see it's kind of like pulled off to the corner. And another one right here to give it a little bit of thickness. Line over here in. Line over here in. Line over here in. Line over here in. And here in. Right on. Maybe like a dark line there. It's a kind of a shadow, and it kind of grounds the whole thing. It kind of makes the whole thing look a little bit better, design-wise. And that's pretty much it, honestly. You can draw a few more lines here on the petals themselves. Line over here. Line over here. Line over here, just a bit, just to ground it, you know, do a little shadow. That's an orchid. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Stick around for the color portion of it right now. I also want you to check out the entire lessons I have, entire long lessons on how to draw stuff in general. Like you can go over anatomy of people, you can go over animals, tons and tons of stuff like that. So go check that out, and I will see you next time, okay? See you soon. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site,
see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.